To take advantage of this special offer, when you call right now, we're waiving all installation costs with our Christina Across America offer, and no interest and no payments for up to 1 year. Call now to schedule your free, no obligation in-home design consultation. You can create your new bath or shower customized just for you, installed in just 1 day from the most trusted name with Jacuzzi Bath Remodel. Call now.
We now return to more classic cartoons.
Probably not cold enough. Oh, but by Jupiter, it's just right for skiing. Oh, Wallow, where is that nephew of mine? 1,000 pardons, Fräulein.
Dummkopf, warum schauen Sie nicht wohin Sie gehen?
You're right, Dr. von Mischmein. Absolutely. I'll speak to the management.
Bitte? There was something, Herr Magoo?
Herr Alpenstock. Yes, indeed there is. These rugs. You should keep a tidier establishment.
Well,
How is the skiing this morning?
the snow is too soft. Could happen an avalanche.
Avalanche? Poppycock. And besides, as I always say, avalanche is better than no lanche. No! That's a joke. Waldo! Sweet Godfrey boy, can't I interest you in anything? Look out there. The snow-capped Matternaut rising majestically into the blue. Some scenery, eh, boy?
Yeah.
Doesn't it move you, Waldo?
You said it, Unc. Pardon me, Fraulein. Didn't we meet at the...
Now, fess up, Waldo. Wouldn't you like to be a part of all that? Where'd he go? Blasted rumpled rug. Oh, confound it. If you want a thing done well, you got to do it yourself. Hit the trail, Waldo.
I think I'll ride up on a ski lift. My dogs are killing me.
Very well, son. I'll meet you at the top.
Maybe it was Pismo Beach?